the Lord, all you lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before Him with joyful song. We are His people, the sheep of His flock. Know that the Lord is God. He made us His, we are. His people, the flock He tends. We are His people, the sheep of His flock. The Lord is good, His kindness endures forever, and His faithfulness to all generations. We are His people, the sheep of His flock. I will praise your name forever, my King and my God. I will praise your name forever, my King and my God. The Lord is gracious and merciful, slow to anger and of great kindness. The Lord is good to all and compassionate toward all His works. I will praise your name forever, my King and my God. Let all your works give you thanks, O Lord, and let your faithful ones bless you. Let them discourse of the glory of your kingdom. May God have pity on us and bless us. May He let His face shine upon us. So may Your way be known upon earth among all nations, Your salvation. O God, let all the nations praise You. May the nations be glad and exalt, because You rule the peoples in equity. The nations on the earth, You, let all the nations praise You. May the peoples praise You, O God. May all the peoples praise You. May God bless us, and may all the ends of the earth feel